I'm Pankaj. I'm from Hyderabad, and recently I'm pursuing my masters from LP University. And on the other hand, I'm seeking for an opportunity.
What are your goals?
My my goal is to become a software developer.
Are you doing MTech?
No, NC.
And
Recently, I have completed my BCA from JC Bose University. From JC Bose University by NC.
What is the role of software developer?
Yeah, software developer role is a role in a company to make a software according to the end user requirement, and if end user is happy, so you are doing your job best.
What is the difference between smart work and hard work?
I think there is not a much difference between hard work and smart work. If you are working, if you are doing any kind of work, by you are putting your physically efforts 100%, so that time you are doing hard work. But if you are earning money or you are doing any kind of work by your smart work or by you are using your mind, that time so you are doing your smart work.
there are many opportunities after BCA, right? So you have done BCA. So then why are we LCA? Why are you not exploring jobs?
Actually, I am exploring job, but sometimes ago I was not getting any kind of opportunity. That's why I took an admission in LP University in NCA, because I do not want to make any kind of gap year in my.
Okay, so is it a permanent course or like
No, it is a permanent course.
like regular?
No, it is a distance based. I'm not going there.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes, I little bit believe on the ghost.
Okay, can you please define the language which you use in your software development?
I would prefer Java. Java is a versatile and a wide used language. Like we all are using Java language, and it is very portable. So I would prefer Java.
Oh, tell me about like why people prefer Java over C.
Over C, because C is a middle level language. It is not a high level language, pure high level language. But Java is a high level language, and it also possesses some kind of OOPS concept also.
Should we have option B for our success
So we have option.
in our life?
Not always, I would say not always, but we should have option B, because if things are not coming in your favor every time, so that time if you have option B, so you will be getting or you will be finding some kind of benefits that time. So if you have option B that time, so you are lucky and you are very fortunate that time.
And in like you said before, like I'm doing a software engineer. So in software engineer, like it's the most important tool, like SQL. SQL is most usual to.
We also know a little bit about SQL, structured query language.
Like what kind of queries that we run on the SQL?
There is not, there are some different departments. If you belong to a database department, so that time you must know about the SQL. But if you want to become a software developer, any kind of other, like you want to become a front-end developer, so if you do not have a much knowledge about SQL, so it can be work. But we should know little bit knowledge about the SQL. In generally, with the help of SQL, we are applying some kind of queries over the data, and we are finding some kind of insightful data, and we are arranging in a insightful manner, in a structured manner.
And
Okay,
what's the
which way-
difference between?
Okay, which way exist in our life, in the discipline or work hard?
According to me, discipline is more important than work hard. Because sometimes if you are disciplined towards your career, so you can get your aim, goal, ambition, whatever you want to. But sometimes your smart work can be work somewhere.
Okay, so what's the difference between front-end developer and back-end developer?
Front-end developer role is to make a UI. Whenever we go over any website, at that time we watch or see a website, see a front-end things, but we don't know actually how back-end things are working, how controllers and control and whatever kind of things are sending or fetching data, what kind of thing it is generally belongs to the backend developer.
Okay, 4 main pillars of tools.
Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism.
Define 4.
I'm defining.
Because
To be honest, I have been studying very long time, but I can define like in encapsulations, wrapping up a data in a single unit. Polymorphism means many forms, and third one is inheritance. Inheritance has a property of the parents, and fourth one is abstraction. Abstraction is a class where we cannot define the object, but we can get the template, or we can say like we can hide some kind of confidential details, and we can show only essential details to the user.
So what kind of tool that we use as a software developer?
What kind of tool? We should know. Firstly, we should know about the language. Our language we should know, and the second thing is we should have the good knowledge about the ID, because if you want to become a software developer, so you should have the good knowledge about ID. ID is a integrated development environment where you are getting some kind of tools and you can debug your code. That times this kind of things, or SQL is more important if we want to save our data.
Is it developer or developers?
Whatever we can do.
Okay, are you promoting your developer field, or are you telling about just like general? Because all are putting
Okay, now
portions
tell me one
of
thing.
related to developer, and I am not able to understand this.
Okay, tell me one thing. You have done your BCA recently. So, what do you suggest those who pursue BCA or who wants to do BCA? What do you suggest them?
I would suggest them, those are pursuing BCA, just keep working hard, because you are also learning. Those are pursuing their BCA course, they are learning coding, and on the other hand we have also a BTech computer science. They are also learning coding, so that time BTech holder will be more preferred as compared to BCA, because BCA is only a 3 years course and BTech is a 4 years course. They have some great knowledge about the technical, but those are pursuing BCA, they do not have that much knowledge about the technical. So you should work upon your coding skills and also improve your communication skills. If you have a good communication skills, so you can drive your interview according to me 50%.
Why
What's
are you
your-
learning English?
Because I want to upgrade myself, that's why I'm learning.
What's your dream company?
I do not have any dream company.
You don't have any dream company. If the Accenture's company like give you a chance to as a software developer, and like Accenture give a 4 to 5 lakh in a year, so you get this position in Accenture.
No one will. I think no one will decline or deny this opportunity as a fresher. If you are getting 4 or 5 LPA, so it is the best way to embark your journey. So you can embark your journey.
Well done.